camera stopped working again on my phone. Stupid thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All this products were, I think it was less than $30 to the door. So I think that's a really good deal. Anyhow, so it's Grove Collaborative is what it's called. And you can find them online. I don't get paid to, like, you know, promote them. This is Grove Collaborative. 100% happiness guaranteed. Grove Home, hashtag Grove Home, Grove dot, let's see. Probably just grovecollaborative.com is where you can find it. So yeah, it looks like it's out of Pennsylvania. Anyhow, this is my haul. I'm going to probably be regular order. Also, people are wondering, like, you know, do you have to, it will send you stuff, you know, every month. Yes, it can sell you stuff every month. But you can opt out of that easily. You can change your order. They email you before they send you anything, which is nice. They email you and let you change your order or cancel your order. You can pick a new date for your order. You can make it come the next month. So it's really flexible. So it's not like you're locked in. You can cancel at any time, but I don't want to cancel because this is, I mean, I'm really happy with what I'm getting. In fact, I wasn't due to get my first order. They were going to send it to me again next month, and I ordered all this before that. So I went in and put like another order in, so I can change the date of my next order, or I can just let the next order come for this stuff if this stuff runs out. And you can add and subtract anything from your order, so you're not out of like this yet. So you just take it off the order, and you can put something else or nothing. So it's really flexible. So very happy with it. I'll put whatever information I can down there at the end. Anyhow, I guess for That's a Review, this is Susan, and I guess I'm going to say, I know I always give like a number 1 out of 10. So far I'm giving this a 10 because customer service has been great, quick delivery, great products, and customer service is really important. You know that. If someone doesn't email you back, that's so annoying. So they email back. They have a Facebook page. And everybody that's on like the Facebook page, when you scroll and look at comments, everybody's saying how great it is. There's like, if you look at 150, 200 comments, there might be one person who said, oh, something went wrong. So that's a good thing. Anyhow, have a great day, and I will see you all soon. Hi guys, I'm adding something to this video from the Grove Collaborative. This is my second box I've received, so my second order. I didn't post this video right after I made it, so I actually had a second box. So I'm going to show you what I got in the second box, and just to show you, I guess, the consistency of their packaging and everything. So this is just like before. Packing slip. Looks like I got some Method foaming bathroom cleaner. Some Method dish soap, the Radish, which smells really good. Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaner mint. Miss Meyer's hand soap mint. So let's see. Thank you for being an awesome customer. The items highlighted on your order will ship separately. So looks like the foaming cleanser didn't come. Anyhow, packaged well again. I like how they, put the tape on everything so nothing spills. The order came really quickly again also. Alright. Some of the Miss Meyer's, unless they tape all the lids on like that so nothing. Multi-surface cleaner. Mint scent. And this smells really, really good. I really like this. This comes in the Radish scent also. Which smells good also, but I got the mint again. I use this on my kitchen counters. So yeah, it smells really good. This is my second order of this. This is the fabric softener for laundry. You see how they have all the plastic, so it's not going to spill everywhere. So yeah. But anyhow, This is my second order for this fabric softener. So it smells really, really good. And my towels and all the clothes just smell amazing since I started using this. So I went ahead and ordered this because my other one is almost empty and I didn't want to run out and then not have a new bottle ready to go. So this is the fabric softener. It smells great. Yeah, I really like it. This is the Beach Sage. Beach Sage. I don't really know how to describe the scent, but just very fresh and... Okay, here's the dish soap, the Radish. And I got the same one as I got before because I really liked the way it smelled. So I'm almost kind of out of the other one. So I wanted to order this. So I'd have it. I use the dish soap on everything that doesn't go in the dishwasher. So like if I'm hand washing anything, I use this. And it smells really good. Radish scent. Lower that a little bit. And some of the hand soap. And I got the mint in this also. And I ordered this before I ran out of the other one, just to make sure I had it. This is the mint hand soap. Makes your hands really soft. Not super foamy, but it smells really good. Made with olive oil and aloe vera. Limited edition scent. I don't know why it's limited edition, but I don't know if this is going to be backwards or not. But this is, let's see, so it looks like something, oh, you know what didn't come? The foaming bathroom cleaner. See how it's circled there? They said highlighted, but it's circled. So the foaming bathroom cleaner didn't make it. So where'd that, oh here. So it's saying, let's see, thank you for being an awesome customer. The items highlighted will ship separately. You should receive them in 7 to 10 business days. So that's no big deal because I have other cleaner. And I also just placed another order today for some other things I haven't tried yet. So that order should come probably in about a week. And I think it was like 5 or 6 things. I know I got some hand sanitizer. I got 2 of them, one for me, one for my friend. And I ordered some more of the dryer sheets. The dryer sheets smell amazing. Well, let me get the dryer sheets and show you. Remember? Here's the dryer sheets. The 7th generation. They smell really, really good. I mean, they make everything come out smelling so good. 80 sheets. Here's what they look like. Wish you could smell that. It smells so good. Natural fabric softener sheets. Lavender and eucalyptus scent is what that is. But really like these. I think it comes in a bigger one also, and a unscented. It also comes in unscented. So yeah, but I ordered some more of these today just because I want to make sure I don't run out. There's actually still quite a few left, but I went ahead and ordered it just because why not? The prices are so good. Might as well order it. Anyhow, this is my Grove Collaborative haul for today. And I'm just going to add this on. This is added on to the first video of the first box. Just to show you. But I have used this. This is great. I have used this. This is great from the first video. Have used this. The radish smells really good. I can't really explain. It's called radish, but I really don't know what a radish smells like. But it smells good. I really don't know what to compare it to. But this dish soap, even my husband said the other day, he's like, I really like that dish soap that you got, you know. So I got some more just to make sure we had some. So anyhow, this is the haul for today. I'm actually here. Hey. There, now you can see me. Hello. Anyhow, that's the haul for today. I'm excited to get my next box, but I recommend these people. The prices are great. The shipping is only like $2.99. And I know if you're a first-time customer, I think you get a couple freebies also and free shipping. So I highly recommend this. Grove Collaborative products, Miss Myers, and The Method seems to be the 2 ones I use the most. And they have a lot of other things. I ordered toothpaste also today. Some toothpaste, and I ordered some cucumber scented makeup removers for my daughter. Because it's just, you know, I don't want her to put the chemicals all over her face. She has way more delicate skin than I do. She's actually, our daughter's Asian. We adopted her from China. So her skin's just a little bit more delicate. So I ordered these nice cucumber wipes for her makeup. She's 16, so kind of getting into makeup now. Anyway, you can see her on Lily Likes on this same channel, Lily Likes. Some of her reviews. And she's in some of my other videos. Anyhow, so happy Saturday. It's Saturday, February 3rd. And that's it. So God bless, and I will talk to you guys soon.